Just when you were thinking that Dr. Dweeb had disappeared from existence, here I am back again. Yes, we have another problem from a user we need to address today. So let's get right to it. Yeah, first we close this here quickly, and we're going to look here and see what the problem is. Here is the email. Oh, looks like a frightening thing. Let's see what is going on. Oh, that's a scary picture here. Let's see, can we move down and see it? Dear Dr. Dweeb, please help me. I am scared to death. Oh, I have to pass a bunch of proficiency tests to prove I am a highly qualified human being. If I can't pass them, I will be labeled a failure for the rest. The rest of what? The rest of my existence. Once I have been labeled a failure, there is no hope for me. I don't know what to study. Please help. Desperately, your kid's teacher. Your kid's teacher. Ooh. Well, let's see. I think I have just the thing to help you. Let's see. I have been working, with all of this emphasis on testing. I have been working to develop a test that will help everyone study for these frightening tests coming up. And in the process of doing so, we're going to learn a couple of things about Adobe Acrobat. Did you know that you can take a PDF? Let's see, that stands for pretty darn fine stuff, I think. Portable data folio or something like. Anyway, I'm going to create a PDF portfolio, which is a collection of all these tests that you can look at and study. Or we could go down here and we could instead do a merged PDF, put all of the files together into one. So either the merged PDF, as you can see here, or else we can do the portfolio, which we just looked at just a second ago, right up here. Let's see if we can do that again. There it is. Okay, we're going to follow these steps to do so. Okay, so let's go back here and we'll go into Adobe Acrobat 10. You've got to have this on your computer to work. It's Acrobat Pro, as you can see right over here, is listed. And we will go into that. And come here. Here we go. Once you go into Acrobat Pro, all you have to do is go to the Create button right up here. You see that? And you go Create a PDF portfolio. Ooh, big word, that portfolio. And we have several different layouts you can use. You got the click through that goes through a whole bunch of files there. You got the free form for all of you who are disorganized, you like to scatter things all over. Or you've got the grid, which lays everything out in front of you. Or a linear, which is one step by step right through it. Or a wave, which there's a spinning path of fans out on the screen. Oh my goodness, that's a little too fancy for me. I think we just go back to the click through option here and we will follow that. So let's go down here and we will say add files. Now I just happen to have several files here we will add to it, and we could add them one at a time just by clicking them here and clicking on open, and it will put them in. Where are we? There it comes. Or we could say add files, and we could get several of them at once. Let's get this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. I think we get all of those together, and we'll open them all up, and they will all amazingly add right down here at the bottom. And we can put them in the order we want. I've got the title page on the back. I'm going to put that over in the front, so I go down here and grab it, and we will move it over just like you do in PowerPointed. And then you can organize the others where you want them. I think I want this one at the end, so let's go put that over there, and I put this one right here. Okay, so I have several PDFs here and I am ready to create the portfolio, and so I have put them all in. I've got the layout here, so all I need to do is to save or finish the portfolio. Save the portfolio. It's got all of these things in it. Let's see, we will save it called, I think we call it Final Exam, and save it there. Off we go, and now it is there. Now let's see what it does. We will go through here and find the final exam, open it up, and we can see it here. Here we have the very interesting final exam. It's listed out, so I can see the different parts of it, and I can look at the individual parts. Here's the test one, connect the dots. I can close that down. Here's the title page. Look at them individually, close them down, connect the dots. We already saw that one. So let's go to the next one. Here's the next one, and complete the drawing. Oh, that's a tough one. Here's one that says which one is different. You got 45 minutes to tell that, so you better be good. And here's one that has a get through the maze. This will be a very helpful study guide, as you can see, to help you pass the test. And here's the last one. And all of these are now in a portfolio. They are individual documents all put together, and they can be used that way. Now, there's another thing you can do. If you don't want to do that, you can go back into Adobe Acrobat Pro, and we can take the documents and we can add them all to one big one. Here, we'll go up to the Create button again. Here's the Create right up here. And this time we will say, combine files into a single PDF. Oh, this will put all of the files together into one. So we can drag and drop and arrange them in the order that you want. So now let's see if we can find the files that we just had open here. And we just drag and drop them. So let's see. I'm going to get this one, and I'll use my control key, and I'll select many others here, and we will put them all in. That should be all of them. Just drag them and drop them right there. And there they are. Now it says to order them in the way that I want. Well, I need to move this over here so I can see. I want the title page first. So let's go down here and get the title, put it up there. I want the artwork at the end, and I want the dots second. Oh, the rest of them are probably okay there. But there we go. I hit the Combine Files button. Oh, goodness, yeah. Got to be careful with my fingers. And here's the Combine Files, and oh, low. Oh, look at that. It's put them all together into one document. And now I can look at the individual pages. See, I could just scroll right through them. Here's the first document, connect the dots. Here's the second document, complete the drawing. Oh, there's all the pages right here. Here's what's different. And here's the one that says get through the maze. And last one is, well, here's the artwork. So you can see how this is a very nice tool, this Adobe Acrobat. It combines files, it creates a portfolio for you, and this will help you study for any test you want. I've very carefully created this test for you to help you through this. So now you can see that it's going to ask us to save it. We will call it Binder 1, that's okay. And we'll save it right there. And away we go. And you can see that we have done it now. We have completed the work we had to do. We have either created a portfolio or we have created the merged PDFs. So you guys look this over and have a wonderful day, and hopefully you will all pass the exams and not have any trouble the rest of your lives. Have a good day. This is Dr. Dweeb. Bye-bye.